And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 266. Let me show you how you can warp text. So these are the typical text transformations. For example, an arc or a flag. Use the type tool here, T is the short key. Let me size that up a little bit and I use a bold style. To center it, I press Ctrl A. I've got the move to active and then I use the top menu. To warp it now, we need the specific warp option. When you've got the move to active, you won't see it. So reactivate the type tool. Then in the top menu, it's this T with the arc beneath it. And you just left click on your text. Then press Ctrl A. This should select the text. And now you can activate it. One of the issues that you may encounter is this right here. Depending on the font that you use, you may be using a full bold style. So that's basically a bold style that's forced on the font, and the warping doesn't work with that. In the newer Photoshop version, that's not really an issue. You just confirm via OK, and then Photoshop solves that issue for you. But if you use an older version or it for some reason doesn't work on your font, let me show you how you can get rid of that faux bold style. So number one is switch your font style right here to regular, and this should solve it in many ways. But if it doesn't, use the character menu right here. If you can't see that, go to Window and click on Character. And there you see all of these icons. At the bottom, the T's, and the first one is this full bold style. Just make sure that all of these icons are unchecked. So I've checked this here, it's then highlighted, and this bold style is forced on the font, even though it says regular for the font style. It's now a faux bold. Just make sure to uncheck it. All of the T's are unhighlighted, and then you should be able to warp basically any font. A couple of presets here for the style. And all of them can be flipped from horizontal to vertical. And all of them have 3 adjustment sliders for bend, horizontal distortion and vertical distortion. So I've got lots of freedom to adjust that. Once you've got what you want, confirm via OK, and you can still adjust that. So if I want to make it bold now, I can easily do that via the properties of this text layer. And this is how I can warp text in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.